What's up guys, and welcome back to another video. I believe you guys are having a good time. Today we want to talk about starting a business of ready to wear. How to get started in the business of ready to wear. This is going to be a part video. It's going to be from part 1 to part 11. It's actually a conk and solid video. It could be that the part 1 is all that you need in order to skyrocket your business. It could be that the part 8 is one thing that I'm going to say in that part that's going to change your entire perspective about fashion or the ready-to-wear business. So I will advise you as a friend to please watch this video from beginning, which is the part 1, to the last part, which is the part 11. So I try as much as possible to break everything down for you guys on the business of ready-to-wear, how to get started, type of niche you could follow, maybe female, maybe male, whatsoever niche you're interested in. So without further ado, let's get into the video, and I plead with you again that you try and watch this video from beginning to the end. So let's get into the video. Your own ready to wear could be like you want to just focus on shirt alone, you just want to focus on pants and shirt, you just want to focus on maybe pants alone, you just want to focus on kaftan, complete kaftan, traditional wear, which is ready to wear as well. You can do anything in the formula of ready to wear. It doesn't have to be like traditional. Everything has a universal measurement, right? And inside the tutorial, I share the universal measurements that you can use to get into your own ready to wear business. So without further ado, let's get into the video, and I hope you enjoy it and it makes you in good health and sound mind. Let's get into the tutorial. What's up guys, and welcome. I welcome you all to this awesome webinar on how to start a ready to wear business, how to get into the ready to wear business. I hope this training actually meets you guys in good health and sound mind. I hope you're currently living the best version of your life. So, and I really do appreciate yourself for giving this little time to just tell you about this opportunity, right? So I need you to relax. I need you to get somewhere very comfortable to sit down. Get yourself a cup of coffee, right? I need you to do that. See, when you're listening and you are zipping something, maybe a Coca-Cola or whatever you can get, just get yourself something you can drink. And when you're listening and you're drinking something, the whole information that I'm about to share with you will sink in very, very well. It will sink in very, very, very well. So, Firstly, before we get into the whole process, I have to introduce myself to some of you that never met me before, that don't know me, that possibly just know me online, maybe from the YouTube or anywhere. My name is Olasukomi. Just generally to those that have never known me before, my name is Olasukomi. I am the creative director and CEO of Tog Clothing. I'll put a link below this audio so you can go ahead and check my Instagram account just to verify that the person that is teaching you this whole ready to wear stuff is not reading it from a book, right? I'm not reading it from a book. I'm a practicing fashion designer. I'm a practicing ready to wear designer. So you can know that the person teaching you is not just somebody that just go to Google and just read about how to start a ready to wear and make it, all those kind of a thing. So I've got several comments on my YouTube video. Just in case you've never checked my YouTube video, also I'll put a link below so you can go ahead and verify. I don't want to use the word verify. I sound like the last presidential candidate, Peter Obi. Go and verify me. Go to the YouTube and verify. So I'm not just going to put that. I'm just going to say, go to the YouTube channel. I have several videos there where I teach how to cut any kind of design. You can go ahead and check. So I've got several comments about why I make free tutorials for people on how to sew clothes. While some people enjoy the tutorial and they're appreciative, other people don't seem to like it. I've got direct WhatsApp message, people telling me why will I be sharing all this kind of a thing, right? So my thing is that I do believe there is poverty in the world, and I genuinely believe that there is poverty in my country, Nigeria. There's a certain level of poverty in my country, and the only way I can contribute to actually reduce this level of poverty is to share the little information that I have, is to give people the hope that they can get things. There's somebody that can actually listen and help them in the little way that I can, right? And there's this mantra that I always say, there's this saying that say that if you want to go fast, you should go alone. If you want to go fast in life, you should go alone. But if you want to go far in life, you should take people along. So that's my mantra. And if you want to actually go fast, I would advise you to go alone as a person. But if you want to go far in this life, in any game, in any journey that you are doing, in any kind of occupation, you have to take people along. So you can add that mantra to your own mantra, so it will help you. This is just I'm just sharing this with you. So that's all about me. That is me for you. So let's get straight into the business of how to get into the ready to wear business. Right? So firstly, what is ready to wear business? What is ready to wear? What is